Welcome to 22 All for the Better. This home has been completely remodeled with travertine tile throughout, even on the pool patio. It's perfectly situated to capture cooling breezes and magnificent sea views of North and South Shore. It's beautifully landscaped to create a tropical oasis. Take a look. Let's walk through the chef's kitchen while I take you on a tour of the house. Here's the large screen porch. The pool patio is lovely and we'll get outside soon. The view from the porch is spectacular, from Green Key to Christiansted. In the kitchen, there is storage on both sides of the island. Here's the entertainment room, where you can relax and enjoy your favorite shows. The living room is a perfect place to relax after a meal in the dining room. And here's the screen porch. This has Trex flooring and has spectacular sunsets. And here is the beautiful patio. It has travertine tile, whimsical mosaics of fish and turtles, and a stingray in the shower. Take a look. Here's the spacious pool patio with plenty of room to entertain friends and family. There are beautiful views of Christiansted, the Caribbean Sea, Green Key, and incredible sunsets. Here's the handcrafted outdoor shower. It's in a lushly landscaped, secluded corner of the patio. This is a space you'll enjoy and treasure.